In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to set up Vocoder V from Arturia with Fender Studio 8. But before we get started, there's some things I want you to be aware of or able to do before we go into the steps of this tutorial. 1. You know how to connect the MIDI controller to Fender Studio. 2. You also know how to set up a microphone and connect it with Fender Studio as well. These are both necessary for this tutorial to work for you in your setup. I also want you to be aware that I'm using a Mac Studio M4 Max with an Apollo Twin connected with Thunderbolt. So your results may vary depending on the system and setup that you have. So without further ado, let's go to the screen. Step 1, let's create a Vocoder V channel by clicking on the Vocoder V channel on our instrument panel where we blow out for plugins, drag it over to the left and create our track. Step 2, we want to change it to voice mode over here in the top right of the plugin, just like that. And step 3, we want to click on sidechain and select the microphone input that you already have set up. Now you should kind of hear the sibling frequencies come from the vocoder. Let's test it out.
This is a vocoder test, a vocoder test. This is a vocoder, this is a vocoder test, 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 test.
Now we're in step 4 where we want to set up an audio track to record what we're doing in real time for our studio sessions. Right click over here in the track area, select stereo track, and then what I want to do is go to the inspector with this icon right here if you don't see it. Select the input and then drag it down to Vocoder V right there and select that. If you don't see it, your window may be down here too far. You can't see it, but if you just drag it up a little bit, you'll see it right there. So for this demonstration, I'm not going to record MIDI notes as I record, but I'm going to turn on the input monitoring and then turn on the record there. And let's check it out and make sure it's working.
Check, check, 1, 2. Check, 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 1, 2. And now all I gotta do is hit record. This is a vocoder test. This is a vocoder test. Don't you hear the vocoder working in real time? This ain't nothing but a funky vocoder groove. Get down, dog. Get down, dog.
Let's listen to the result.
This is a vocoder test. This is a vocoder test. Don't you hear the vocoder working in real time? This ain't nothing but a funky vocoder groove. Get down, dog. Get down, dog.
One thing to pay attention to is when you're recording in Fender Studio, you may see only one waveform. That may not necessarily mean it's not a stereo track. Just maximize the track a little bit and you'll see both stereo files being rendered in real time, just like that. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you got any questions about this process or about Fender Studio Pro or about vocoding, and I'll get with you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. You're watching the DAW of T2K YouTube channel right here on YouTube.